go to the, have you ever been to the SEMA show?
More importantly, has he ever watched Reno 911?
Yeah, have you ever watched Reno 911? What about Hawaiian weed? Maui. Wowie. You ever heard of that?
Yeah, even back in the 70s, they talked about the Maui Wowie.
What?
I've never had none, but if I were to go to Hawaii and go searching out for some weed, I want to get my weed from the same place that Dog the Bounty Hunter gets his.
Dog the Bounty Hunter?
Yeah.
Who is he?
You don't know who Dog the Bounty Hunter is?
No, what do he do? Who he be following?
Oh my! So you don't. So you never seen all these good movies like Pulp Fiction, all that?
No, I ain't seen Pulp Fiction.
And you don't know who Dog the Bounty Hunter is?
Y'all know who Dog the Bounty Hunter is?
He's like this redneck dude. He got long hair, runs around apprehending fugitives. His wife did it with him too, but she passed away. He just got remarried.
Superstormy, no.
I mean, he's not as famous as like Boba Fett for being a bounty hunter, but he's.
His wife died not too long ago.
Yeah, he just got remarried.
Oh, he got a new one that quick?
Yeah, his kids are pissed.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's a real story situation right there. What you think about that type of situation? How long you think it's supposed to be? You with the kids or you with the dude?
You know, I'm not in his shoes, so my opinion doesn't matter.
They say she died of cancer.
Yeah, but if I was with a woman for as long as he was, and I had to watch her die,
yeah,
you know, and all that, I think I would take a little time for myself.
How long time you think? A year or two, 2 years, 5 years?
No, I'm not saying I'm not going to have sex with anybody. I'm just saying I'm not going to get married again for you know, a couple of years.
Yeah. So he just remarried within how long?
I don't know what the time frame is. Months.
Damn, he ain't wait a year. She probably was already hitting it before she died.
Maybe.
I mean, you know you ain't finna just. Oh, I don't know. It just don't seem right.
Yeah. Last chance before we arrive.
Dang, man.
When I got here.
She said Twisted Soul probably was his side piece.
Huh?
Twisted Soul said it was probably the side piece.
Maybe. When I got out here earlier, it smelled like somebody was out here smoking something.
Yeah.
But
I thought about starting
what?
Smoking something.
Oh.
But I'll let them get started, do their thing first. Somebody said, I think when someone is living with cancer, the relationship dies before the person.
Yeah, but I mean,
he's looking at that longevity. You've been with her for how many years?
I mean, like 22 years, I think.
22 years.
I don't know. I would probably say it's his business. He does whatever.
Mm-hmm.
He may have needed to find some comfort somewhere. Or whatever, not to get too deep. But don't do it in public, man.
Oh, okay. You wouldn't have did it in public.
No.
It kind of make him look bad a little bit.
I mean, I feel like it does. Now, he don't answer to nobody but himself.
Yeah,
but,
true that.
You know, he had kids with this woman too, so he's got to look at his kids who he had with this woman and be comfortable in such a short amount of time to introduce her, you know, to stepmama. That's fucked up. He should have took a little time, you know, whatever.
Ooh, we hear you. That motherfucker ready.
Are you done?
Yeah. That bitch, that got something.
Scratch that off my bucket list. I got to look out high.
Yeah, shit. I got high. Gotta take old boy his little sandwich.
Yeah, I put it down there on the floor. I get it. You can get your drink.
My drink, yeah. I'm gonna be drinking that on the way back. Oh, Cadillac ride good, man. Alright, y'all. We back up here at the park. You know anyone with some CB equipment, or you got any? Yeah, my dad, he drive 18 wheelers, and he done ran through probably about a lot of trucks, so I would imagine he got some CB equipment.
Breaker 19, come in. This is dumbass.
Yeah, that's why I learned. Breaking 9 one time. Tell me what's on your mind. She had told him to promise not to remarry. Ooh. Damn. Oh, man. Yeah, that's messed up. She had told him to promise. You can't make that promise. Baby, don't make me suffer because you out of here. Huh? Let me put my stuff up. Is that a good thing, Queen Mary? You think that's a good... What's up with it, man? I need some barbecue lemon pepper.
Barbecue?
Barbecue lemon pepper.
Oh,
What you know about that? Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I might go get me a Sprite. Go get me a bottle of Dr. Pepper. Well, I need to take my suit off, man. It's hot. Bo is looking for Lenny. Hey, y'all been getting y'all practice on, man? You got you a couple shakedowns in?
yeah, he's practicing with my shafty right now.
When lunch break? We an hour behind.
Yeah, we're fixing to be starting these right now.
I might go get me a spray. Yeah, that lemonade good. It's that kind of lemonade you can let sit in your cup for a couple. Yeah, you
about that,
man. I'm just trying it out, man. I gave him a rating. They got a 8.5 on the ribs.
Okay, well, where the 10s at? Where the 10s at in the city?
Oh, the 10s in the city. Not in no place.
Oh, yeah,
Dang. Yeah, you gotta go in the backyard for a 10. My uncle know how to make a 10 rib, man.
Describe a 10.
A 10.
Stick the bone up, ain't no meat.
No, my uncle say that if I think that equal. What do he say? If food falling off the bone, I think he said it's overcooked or something like that. It's one of the. I think it's overcooked.
Chicken is for sure.
Yeah, he said if it's coming out the bone, it's overcooked. It's a certain man. Them man, I'm telling you, I